Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. It's a very beautiful thing to share your DIY art with your guests. Here in this video, we are going to show you different artwork made by Resin, and it is the basic trays that are served with your guests. But what is resin art? Resin art is a popular form of craft that involves using epoxy resin, a liquid polymer that hardens with mix with a curing agent. The resin is often mixed with color pigments, glitters, and other embellishments to create a glossy, glass-like finish once it sets. Resin art can be applied to various surfaces like canvases, wood, or molds to make jewelry, coasters, trays, and even large art pieces. It's known for its versatility and ability to create beautiful layered or three-dimensional effects. Crafters and artists love resin because it allows for endless creative possibilities, from abstract swirls to detailed, intricate designs. What are the benefits of resin art? Number 1. Durability. Resin is strong and resistant to moisture and damage, making it ideal for functional items like trays, coasters, and furniture. Number 2. Aesthetic appeal. The glass-like glossy finished resin provides is unique and adds an elegant, high-quality touch to your creations. Number 3. Customizability. You can mix pigments, dyes, glitters, dried flowers, shells, or other elements into resin, allowing for fully personalized and unique designs. Easy to clean. Resin surfaces are non-porous, meaning they can easily be wiped clean without absorbing spills or stains. Waterproof. Resin is waterproof once cured, making it perfect for kitchen and bathroom accessories. Creative expressions. Resin art is highly creative and meditative, allowing artists and DIY enthusiasts to perform with colors, textures, and patterns in a free-flowing styles. Resin tray ideas. Ocean theme tray. Using blue, white, and sandy pigments, you can create the look of waves crashing on a beach. Adding elements like sand, shells, or starfish in the resin layers brings the ocean to life. Geode resin tray. Inspired by natural geodes, this design uses metallic pigments, glitter, and crystals to mimic the beauty of gemstones cross creation sections. Floral resin tray. You can embed real dried flowers and leave in resin to create a natural inspired tray. Clear resin works beautifully to suspend the flowers as if they are floating. Abstract art tray. Use different colors of resin to create swirls and marbled patterns. The colors can be bold and contrasting or soft and complementary. Gold leaf resin tray. Mixing in gold leaf or metallic flecks can give the tray an elegant, high-end look. You can combine this with marble or solid color backgrounds for a luxurious finish. DIY resin trays. Making your own resin tray is a fun and rewarding project. Here is a basic guide to get started. Materials needed: epoxy resin and hardener, tray mold. Silicone molds work best. Color pigments or dyes. Decorative items like glitter, flowers, gold leaf, etc. Mixing cups and sticks. Gloves and protective mask for handling resin safely. Step-by-step process. Prepare your workspace. Lay down a protective cover for your workspace as resin can be messy. Wear gloves and add a mask as epoxy resin can emit fumes while mixing. Mix the resin. Follow the instructions on the resin package to mix the resin and hardener in the correct ratio. Stir slowly to avoid air bubbles. Add pigments and embellishments. Once the resin is mixed, divide it into smaller cups. If you want to create multiple color, add pigments or dyes to each batch. Stirring until fully blended. You can also mix in glitter, gold leaf, or other decorative materials. Pour the resin into the mold. Pour the resin into the tray mold. You can pour in layers or swirls to create your desired pattern. Use a heat gun or torch lightly to remove any air bubble that form. Add decorative elements. If you are embedding objects like flowers, shells, or crystals, place them gently into the resin once it's poured. Rinse them as desired before the resin starts to set. Let it cure. Allow the tray to cure according to the resin's instructions, like usually takes 24 to 48 hours depending on the brand. Make sure the tray is placed in a dust-free area to avoid particles setting on the surface. Remove from mold. Once the resin has fully cured, gently pop the tray out of the mold. Sand down any rough edges if necessary. Final touches: you can add handles to the sides of your tray for a more functional piece. Polishing the surface with a resin sealed can add an extra layer of shine. By following these steps and using your creativity, you can craft personalized resin trays that are perfect for gifts, home decor, or even as a small business venture. Hope you have found this video useful. Must share these ideas with your friends and family members, and also give your opinion in the comment section. How do you find this video? Till the next video, bye bye and take care.